everybody! Today I'm going to tell you about descriptive text. Descriptive text, or in terms of writing, only known as description, is one of English lesson that should be mastered not only for junior high school students but also for senior high school and college students. Because descriptive material is very necessary for master English proficiency. Some of the most famous authors, especially fiction writers, have good skill in writing of description. So, their writing is very readable and easy to understand. Therefore, if we were able to master this lesson well, we might be able to become a great writer in the future. I hope this explanation and example of the descriptive text can help you to learn description text. First definition. Descriptive text is a text which tells us what a person or a thing, like describe the character of a person, animal, place, or thing. In broad sense, description, as explained by Ken in 2000, page 305-2, is defined like in the following sentence. Description is about sensory experience, how something looks, sound, taste. Mostly it is about visual experience, but description also deals with other kind of perception. And the second purpose. The purpose of descriptive text is describe and reveal a particular person, place, or thing. Generic structure of descriptive text. First, identification. Identification contains about the general introduction of a person, place, animal, or object will be described. The function of identification is to introduce something we describe in order the reader and listener are not misunderstanding. And then second, description. Description contains a description of something such as animal, things, place, or person by describing its features, forms, colors, or anything related to whatever the writer describes. Language features of descriptive text. First, specific participant. It has a certain object, is not common and unique, only one. For example, Bandungan Beach, my house, or Borobudur Temple, and etc. And a second, use adjective or an adjective to clarify the nouns. For example, a beautiful beach, a handsome man, the famous place in Jepara, and etc. And third, use simple present tense. The sentence pattern used is simple present because it tells the fact of the object. And action verb that show an activity. For example, run, sleep, walk, cut, write, and etc. This is the example of descriptive text. The title is Komodo. There are two generic structures of descriptive text. First, identification, and the second is description. Identification. Komodo is the biggest lizard in the world. Some people say it is a dragon, and the scientists say that Komodo is one of the ancient animals which survive until today. The original home of that dragon is Komodo Island in Indonesia, but we can see this awesome animal at the zoo. And I guess every zoo in this world should have this animal. Description. Komodo is structurally not too different with the other lizard family, But because the shape is so big, then the animal is also known as the king of lizards. Komodo grows at maximum length of 3 meters with 70 until 80 kilograms weight. Komodo is a venomous lizard that haunts any other animal as birds and mammals. When it's by the other animal, at first the victim would run away and hide somewhere, but after that Komodo would find it because it has tongue and sense of smell to detect the carrion. Even it has only single earbone and bad sight, but using the tongue and smell sense, it can find the carrion at a radius of 9.5 kilometers. Komodo is a dangerous animal which can attack and kill humans if there is no other food to eat. Even this lizard prefers hot and dry places such as grassland, savanna, and forests to stay, but it also can swim at the sea and eat some carrion at the beach.